Hey, Leo. You're sitting up. You're sitting up. You're probably gonna topple over, but look at you. Yeah. Oh, you're leaning. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Come here. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Do it. Come on. Sit up, my little monkey. Oh, oh. Come here. Come on. Come on. Oh. Leo. You're doing such an excellent job. Yeah. Excellent. You still have a very big, heavy head, but you're doing so much better. Yeah. Yeah. Great job. Yeah. You're doing so well. Yes, you are. That's exciting. Yeah. Wow. You know how to sit and reach painfully high-pitched notes. Yeah. Yeah. Great job. Yeah. This is the longest you've ever sat up all by yourself without toppling over. Yeah. It's a great job. That's a great job. Oh, good job, baby. Good job. Yay. Hey, Leo. Hi. Oh my goodness. You're doing so well. Leo. Hi. 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 Look at you. Hi. Okay. Oh, there you go. Whoa. All right, cutie. We'll set up some more later.